Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. So welcome. You know the thing goes, guys, welcome to K Life in Jamaica. And yes, guys, so today, for this week for me, it's like wharf. Pick up. You know, so first, I'm here in Permukal at this place, Expedite, you know, to pick up a package from Kiwanis from Ava. I sent something as well to work the package, so I'm here to pick that up as well too. Here in Permukal, and I'm here with Esther Campbell. Esther Campbell is here. So, you know, it's a journey. Yeah, no, my tailbone is here, so the next tail is left. So here we are. Yeah, Expedite. So we going upstairs. So we're here in Pembroke Hall, doing a park.
The man Calabar.
Oh, the man Calabar. Monday to Friday. See, Monday to Friday. Permafast school about here. What's that?
Afternoon.
Hey guys, look, sweating. We just came upon an unexpected job, picking up this box because we didn't know the size of the box, and I guess I never really know what's inside the box. I never remember what's inside the box, you know. So you can see Esther sweating slightly.
I tell you, slightly I'm wet my face.
Guys, they're just showing you what's going on. Trust me, we never expect this, you know. And my vehicle never expect this. You know, so as I mentioned before about the back to school, you know, some of the stuff they never arrived on time. So I guess this is also one of the stuff that as well from the Kiwanis, you know, Ava and the team, Kiwanis team, you know, and this is what we're running to. So we have to literally dismantle the box right here because the box could have fit in my vehicle. And look, we literally have to load the vehicle with all the bags and everything, school bags, shoes, and all of that. A good thing we never come with nobody, Esther. Because the thing is, we see 30 grand, and they're like, yo, genius. And a good thing we never say come, because we never know the size. Yeah, we have to give him taxi fare to head back home. And look at this, guys. We are loaded with bags, school bags, and everything. So low, this car has never been loaded like this. So we have to break down the box, we have to push the box up in there. I will still have this bag to go inside as well. That's how full it is. You know? Why? This was so unexpected, you know, like. That's why I'm tell you that can't go on. It can't flat no more, Esther. Police.
If it's that more, I go broad out. And then now that I've got my foot, so put in the blue bag first, Kino. It's a drain, you know.
This?
Yeah, it's a drain. Yeah. Yeah, so put mommy sit down with one foot in and then you put fully loaded. Of course you touch it. So this is my foot. So I'm gonna put one foot in.
Yeah, go ahead.
I make one foot out. And that's the
Yes, loaded.
fully loaded.
No, sir.
The front out.
Guys, we never expect this at all. I see. We literally never expected this.
I'm fully loaded.
Yeah, easy. Guys, we never expect this. I have to go call Ava when I reach. Because if I didn't know, I would have brought a different people. Yeah, look at this. Look behind me.
Don't forget that truck.
We're eagles. You know? We're the eagles for the day. Sail out, sail out. Downtown. Right. Q1 is, you know, from Miramar. We thank you so much. You know, Ava, I'm gonna give you a call right now. Right now. Where's my next phone? Guys, I have to give Ava a call right now. Boy, what did I did know? I had to call Hero a long time. And say, Hero, come we have a job. No, I run into this.
Can't hold it.
No, at least we'll have to go split some right then.
Me drive and you drive.
Yeah.
We'll split it.
I was thinking of a small box. I wasn't thinking of this big box. So guys, so you see why next year back to school is going to be a big treat. You know, next year back to school is going to be a big treat. And plus we have other stuff to come in as well too from country. We need to contact them as well. Cause this week I want to do pure barrels and stuff, guys. Cause I have to go do collection. So much. So Ava. Yes.
Yeah.
Respect. Unexpected, boy.
Extended box.
Ever, I never expected this size box. In my mind, I'm coming here. Cause me and Esther came. I was looking and thinking about a small box because if I didn't know it was this size box, and I never even know it was the back to school stuff.
Yes.
So many bags and shoes.
But the shoes you can give away to, like, you know, people there in the community, and you can take some for, you know, the other kids and stuff.
Yeah.
And there's a bag in there. It's a school bag, but it's specifically for Nikisha. It's a blue one. I don't know. We could probably video chat later or something just to let you know. Or if you'll probably pick it out. It's a blue bag with pink and like the pattern is like pink, yellow.
Oh, it's like a diamond looking like.
Yeah. When you open it, you'll see.
Okay. We'll spot it already.
It should have shoes and stuff in there.
Keep that shoes in there.
Like a water shoe.
Yeah.
Because we literally was still there because we did have to unbox everything and put everything in the vehicle.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, so we're just gonna drive out now because I was surprised. I never knew it was all these back to school stuff. So see,
and the shampoos and stuff like that, you can also give them out. The school bags also are packaged already with for boys and girls. The girls have their feminine care stuff in there and stuff like that.
Okay. And I'm also recording as well too. So I'm here talking to you. I'm recording as well. You know, because I was telling them I was surprised to come see all of these stuff. You know.
Yeah.
I was really quite surprised. So I'm gonna head back in Trenchtown now and try to unpack all of these now.
Okay, alright, no problem. Hi Esther.
Hi.
Alright, bye Kino.
So it's from the Kiwanis, right?
Yeah, Kiwanis East Miramar. But Kino, remember it's under the One Love, One Heart project. So you don't have to say that. Just say the One Love, One Heart project is fine.
Oh, One Love, One Art project.
Yeah.
Okay, so you hear that, guys? So it's One Love, One Art, you know. So that's where the thing is coming from. One Love, One Art. This is their project, you know.
Yeah.
Of giving back to the need, you know. So we thank them so much. One Love, Bob Marley said, One Love, One Art, you know. And this is it, giving back. Thank you so much, Ava. You know,
you're welcome.
which is, you know, Ava is also a part of the Kiwanis, guys, so that's why we're saying Kiwanis. So, but it's the One Love, One Art project. You know, we thank them so much in Florida, right? Miramar?
Yes, Miramar East Pines.
Yeah, Miramar East Pines. I'm not talking about pine when you eat. No, guys. So, yeah, so alright then, Ava. So I'll keep you posted when I'm back in Trench.
Alright, bye.
Alright then. So One Love, One Art, you know, we're thanking you so much from Miramar East Pines, you know, we're thanking you so much, Ava, big up yourself, you know, I think there's one team, you know, and it's also Sunrise team, big up on yourself, because even that as well, in November, we got that big health fair, which is this time around is going to be like dentists is going to add to it as well too, you know, so it's going to be much bigger this time around, you know, we're going to promote it because we're going to expect more of usage of stuff that the community will need, you know, dentists for once. And I think I remember the next one that they say they're gonna apply to it as well, but I will keep you guys posted on that, you know. So let's get back into Trenchtown and start to unpack, you know, things. So blessed love, Esther. We're cooling down in the AC. We're cooling down. Boy, a good thing 30 grand and boom never come. Boy, never forget a taxi. Yeah, never get taxi, boy. Alright guys, so just touched down back here in Trenchtown. So you know we're gonna unleash the beast. You know? Unleash. Yo. Alright, traffic. Eh? Which one? That's a good thing when they put it up all the back. No, so that one there, put that one back in the front seat. Wow. Take out that box here. This would have been. So drop this here and just bring it to your club, you know. No, that box in there already. There you go. Just in case I've done my job. So you see the back is full stuff them reach. Yeah, a chunk take off him shippers. Come on, yeah. Treat now about that kid.
You know, tell him say me alone packing them, you know. Me alone.
Oh yeah, alone.
This can't go in there.
Yeah. Eat.
Shampoo.
And sorry. Because you see why the back to school treat have to do for the new year coming, because some of the stuff them just reach as well just now. So it wouldn't make no sense to do it. And then now we have other stuff that came as well. And then we still have some more stuff from country to come as well too. So that's why it have to be like, you know, next year we have a bigger treat. So that at least next year now we have more stuff. So looking out for more kids, you know, so next year will be the bigger treat, definitely for sure. So,
pull up pink box.
evening. That full already?
We'll make up the next box and see this box.
Really, this full already? I'll not pot them right.
See.
Fucking not pot them right, man. Not let them flat.
Yeah, them flat. Yeah, see one of them flat. That's why you see I go so flat. Be a flat. Go down there.
Let's see what happens.
Come here!
Yo.
Yeah, back them now.
Yeah. I want to soap. And this is not higher, you know. This is not higher than the next box with inlet in 40 grand. It's the same size box. No man, I treat them on the thing. I treat them on that. It's saying higher at the same box.
Yes, that man has cheap.
Ah, cool no?
One question alone more. I always find to the cheap right here. Yeah. So one time we don't want the writers and line up and play a little music, or more time boy in a day and every day boy in a day and you want maybe use it as a little.
Use what?
Like even
Guys, so we have to give thanks to the One Love, One Heart, project, for this blessing. So I'm gonna say next year will be a bigger treat, and so she said, so they said the shoes them now we could give them out in the community and give Cranberry and them like the family shoes, and you know, Chanata as well, so we have to get them size. And we can give few kids shoes as well too. So 30 grand also have a child.
Yeah,
you know,
one daughter, you know.
And Boom have grand kids as well too, you know, Jenna have grands as well, so we have to just let them get the size for them. Kiosha mama, come here. Kiosha, come here. Mama, come here. Come here, boy. Zaire, come here.
Go to Kino, go!
Come here, come. You get them size.
I want your small more.
RJ, take a size for RJ.
Tino.
Yeah.
See.
Queen, what size are you?
Nick. Nick.
What size are you, Taylor?
Guitar. Eh? Yeah, if you tell me that look one like that, man, with the same size and gear.
No, the one. The Adidas one.
Remember, it's a what cranberry them size. Alright, so thank you.
Thank you. What them size?
Fatty.
Jolene, never get a picture, man.
33. They want 33.
Remember, something will pick up at all.
Lad, and I tell you more
Come here. Hey. So thank you. Twin. So you're cooking on film food. Come here. Next food. The next food.
Better when you come Kino, don't try it on
Put down. No, put in a food. It's not tight. Put in a food. Why?
Yeah.
It fit. Push down a foot that
Yo, see space in the shoe there, brother.
Push down it.
Can I put your shoe on there? That tight?
It's no time.
It's not tight? Tight?
We gotta get the picture. Get the picture.
What size is this?
Dada.
In the picture. Look at the picture then.
I'm a 14 under there.
A 13.
It tight? It's foot feel full. You want 14. I
Take,
give me 13
take out
under
that.
Everybody come out there. Everyone read this.
And the fit me?
Take it down.
None can fit like
Kylo. Sorry. Me. What is me? I'm gonna me.
Hey RJ, what's your size RJ? Queen, try this and see. Take it down. So thank you. Hey RJ, what's your size? Where man are they?
Give this. Say one shoes.
RJ, what's your size?
Take off your cup. Can I get a size? Try it. A 10. So we will fit 10. C10. Look, C10. Try on one. You want to try on one? Yo.
Yay. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Go give it to your mommy. Put on your crocs. Go and give it to your mommy.
Thank you.
Let me see your crocs. What size are we?
Yeah.
Fit you, right? That's your size.
Yeah.
Yeah. So take it off. Here's the next one.
Take it off.
You can't fit it.
Take it off by your foot.
Take it off.
Take it off. I'm tired to.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Excuse me.
Come on back.
One more then.
Joseph, no can't jail, you know.
That's
No
the time.
can't jail for them picking here. What else shoes and go on? Easy.
Sorry, no size of the face.
I don't know your size.
What size like?
Other. This cup, other. Where I got that? Alright guys, so we're gonna make the dream team kids them come and try on something. Yeah. But I know we cannot leave them out. So Esther already pick up some stuff for the Cranberry family, right?
Yeah.
So Esther pick out some things already for Cranberry and the family. And we have cheers. Hello, cheers. Come here, cheers. You know your size? Wait there. Oh, not too much more than I know your size. Take off your crocs, let me see what size underneath. Number wear out.
Is that 2?
2? That can't be 2. I foot look tall. I foot look tall, Esther.
You know, she can't get the 6 in a day. Black and red.
You think so? Let me see. You look tall, man. What size you wear? Mika?
3.
3? Let me see. Oh yeah, I look small. 3. What size is 13? This is something right there. That's too small. So that means fear 3 I got bigger. Dream team kids them foot bigger. Guys, the dream team kids them foot bigger. It's bigger. Alright. It's a 13, man. Alright, here you go. That quite small, you can go have that. You too, fit small, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat honey branch out. Right? Because no shoes can't fit in here. That too big. That too big. Still this one too big. Too big. Oh, I think Grapey. Where's Grapey?
Yeah, and I'm
Grapey cow and
No one them. Where's Grapey?
chocolate.
And Classic.
Get them there.
And Classic. So these are more smaller, for them. Because more smaller size, yeah. So these are not for their size. So we have to try to get on different size for them. So I think Grapey, it will more fit Grapey. Let's see where Grapey is. Grapey is the saucy one. Yeah, and Classic. So you're gonna try and see. Hello, Miss Grapey. What size you wear? You don't know?
What size you wear?
7.
You don't mean 7. Come here, let me see your crocs.
7.
Let me see your crocs pattern. A 12 this.
That's so tiny.
Grapey, this? This. 12. Come Grapey. Try this one.
Something to. You never know this big material on my. But you should have a lot of
Can give me something from a gun to show you 8.
Try that. Show you 8?
Yeah.
Yes. He's an hour there. What size is that?
Now less.
What size is that?
Yeah, this is 8. My gun I got church.
Nah, that can't fit.
No man,
Fit
You
here?
can give me something for 8.
Because I'm not going to be too big enough.
This is 7.
That got to be fit now, I don't think.
This is 7.
No bit, the more than I am so
Like you know, put on slippers. Put the slippers on it. I said I made a good
Yeah.
post and 5 slippers.
Yeah.
Johnny.
And then the slippers we are.
That can't fit you. That can't fit you. Four. Look for the same one is. So Grapey, 12, that fit Grapey. No, I'm gonna try it out for you.
Get shoes.
It can't fit me.
Yeah, stand up, Mom. What for you? Alright?
That is our
Eh?
Yeah, it can't fit me. But right now, come to our
Which
Yeah,
bar?
the 13.
Which bar?
Yeah, the 13.
13.
Okay, call this our
You can't give
12.
my slippers for 8. My gun wear.
Can't chat so. Chat too much.
Slippers for my gun.
But what size exactly we anyway? See 13 there.
8.
Oh, that's Grapey. Say thank you.
None of them pink one there.
Why shoes?
Say thank you. No, there are more girl in my boy there.
You can't give me 8.
But you know what size the granny wear? Granny have to try them.
Yeah.
My gun wear 8. She tell me
She tell you?
You don't know yourself, but you know your
Shop,
granny size.
yeah.
yeah, she tell me what she wear.
I go call your granny, she
Go
come
call
try.
your sister. Where's sister there?
Where's Classic?
Call your sister.
Go call Classic.
She know her granny size, but she don't know her fair size.
Yeah?
Casey, what's wrong? What's wrong now?
What?
Who trouble you? Hush man, why you crying? Hush. Who trouble you? Oh, she don't mean anything, man. She come from school?
Terracord?
Don't say hello.
What size are we?
People have shoes.
What size are we?
Yeah.
Let me see your shoes. Take off your shoes there. Where to call your sister?
Hush Kelsey,
This
okay?
could have fit Catalina, though.
Oh, wait there, like I'm there.
So I think at 13.
I would have come the last time. You, Classic,
And Grapey.
and Grapey,
Cheyenne this.
and Daniela. The 5 of them when they come, I have something fun as well too. Well, and Daniela. Well, fit her? Classic there, Felicia. Classic. Great one. Poison.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Guys, we have these. Guys, we have these shoes. And we have these. And we have
So, yeah. So, the shampoo, the conditioner with the bus in the box, I eat the pan it.
Oh.
I eat the pan it. The treasure me. I eat that. Is it a fit you?
is 9.
Alright. One classic, come here.
Classic, I walk both now. I'm going to look here. It's got what
Alright. So, the last time we went to Cranberry was you,
She, Classic,
Nita,
and Grapey.
and
And Daniela.
And Daniela. So, it was the 5.
Tina.
So I got donation for the 5 of you that they went there. Kelsey wasn't here at the time.
Cal, mommy, Chino, can touch this?
Yeah, if it bite, don't say anything though. I take a bite, yo.
Chino, something right?
Alright then, take a shock, yo. Alright, watch it then. When you move, make the shock you alone.
Is it? In the
And so,
What size that?
here's your $2,000. Come here. So we have 2,000 each for the 5 kids them that came to.
Where it come from?
So this is from what? I never write any name. So Grapey was there as well. You, Mika, and Classic, and Daniela. I forgot. I never write any name. 5 drinking kids get 2,000 each. I don't know. I forgot the name. So I'm going to say unknown from Bronx. Okay. Unknown. So here's your $2,000 from unknown from Bronx.
Thank you, unknown from Bronx. Which country name so?
New York. In New York. So here's
Thank you,
your.
unknown.
So come here. So thank you, unknown.
Thank you, unknown. Something like that.
So-
You can't say good. Aye?
So thank you, unknown from Bronx.
Thank you, unknown from Bronx. Wait a minute.
From New York. Come on here, miss.
From New York. Thank you, Bronx. Thank you, unknown Bronx from New York.
Here, come here.
Thank you, unknown from Bronx.
Okay. So we have one for Classic.
New
and one for
York.
Daniela.
New York. But she's in the yard.
Yeah, she's done on my yard. Alright, So guys, them saying gonna look for Classic. And she's the one that was there as well too, and Daniela, which is the taller one. We're gonna give them the donation. I forgot, I write the list, but I never put the name on it. Who is it from? So because I don't remember the name, I'm gonna say unknown. You know, so if you're watching unknown and you know it's you, my apology. You know, so they get 2,000 each. Alright, so that's it. Try that pan and boom.
Come with that one.
Insect steroids. How about it, Grapey? Cause hey, don't worry, I'm squished up. Don't worry, Peanut.
Hey, the book off it too.
Don't worry about it, them Mr. Buzzer. Mr. Buzzer not fitting. As you can see, if the people they must see.
Are they one on a ball and a boom? And I right foot that.
Can I some gamba cup?
What size that?
Yeah.
And then I try I.
Yoda.
Gamma from.
What size that?
I come like Grapey I want to go. Wow.
Kind of the bottom.
Myself in gamba cup and what you said. No. Bloom, 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 bloom.
We just want big girls.
But your granny have to come and try it. Say thank you.
I'm a Ghanaian cow. Ghanaian food. Everybody have food. Get Ghanaian. Kim, can what is?
Well,
Peppa.
alright guys. You know, slide night too. Alright guys, so we just touched down in Trenchtown right now. You know, so we have Boom here as well too. Esther is here. Prefect is here. You know, everything goes. And I also have a donation from remember I never write down the name for the Dream Team kids them. The 5 of them that went to Mama River at the time with my son. Yeah, so she's gonna be there. So we have Daniela here just coming from school. Who's my cousin coming from school. So here's your $2,000 Daniela from Unknown.
Thank you very much, unknown.
Alright, so wanna run along, wanna take off your uniform now. Bye. Alright guys, yeah, as I had mentioned before, I write down the name of who to get, but I forgot to put the name of who send it. But they know themselves, you know, that's why I said unknown, you know. And Prefect. Prefect, have a donation for you as well too from Heather. A donation as well too for you from Heather from Connecticut, 4,500. From Heather.
Heather.
Yeah, from Connecticut.
Heather from Connecticut. Enough love. Really appreciate it. Thanks very much. Bless up yourself. You'll be good lad, guide you and protect you. One love. Dream team. Bless us.
You can probably have $1,000 for Kiosha from Mavis for her to buy her. We call her sweetie though, she what here? The slime. Yeah. Yeah, so I got this $1,000 as well too from Mavis. I think the donation is from Mavis for the kids them, you know. I think so. You know, but I know that person is gonna contact me and say, Kino, it is from I and I. You know, let me see. Kiosha! She just gone up. Okay. A bit of $1,000 for her, baby. Guys, my people and baby. Baby in the kitchen. Cooking, making work. Eh? You have food in there, right? Yeah. Yeah. Turkey neck and rare. Turkey neck and Aki. Aki done. See the Aki, the Aki box. Aki done.
Aki done, fish done, saying I get none.
Alright. Who never order, sorry, they not get none.
Yeah, come again tomorrow. And on Thursday, get the stew piece, right?
Well, I want to name time, you know.
Worse with a big tail.
Aye. Rosa Rose know what I go on. I forgot met Rosa Rose know what I go on. So you can come for him through piece. Me have $1,000 for Kiosha, but let me see her then.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so you know baby's been doing her cooking as well too. You know, she's cooking for cook herself from home. So you can also, if you're in the community and want to get some food, you can circle baby. She cook during the week. But we got some rain is coming. The rain is dewing right now. I got some fine dew. I was singing video. Alright guys, see the one classic here. She been missing in action the other day. The whole Trenchtown I look for you. You know, we should just give away your money though. So here's your $2,000 from Unknown from the USA. So thank you, Unknown.
Thank you, Unknown from the USA.
And God bless you.
God bless you.
Stop going so shy, man. Are you full of mouth, you go like a shy?
Really?
Alright, then later, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So that's classy, get hers. So that's all them that the fire that went up there. Alright, yeah? Watch ya. What? Come at the right time, the wrong time, come out. Then you go, Kelsey! Yeah. Are you full of powder, so miss? You want them style like Esther?
Yeah, powder.
Still a powder there.
Puff.
Powder puff.
Just beard. Just beard.
Yeah. I'm powder. Trying to keep cool. I go for cranberry, yeah? When you can come this time, next time. Well, not next time. One of these times. Me tell you which time. Well guys, it's pure rain. Pure rain we're getting right now. It's pure rain, no? So we just reached here, as you can see. The whole place is wet. Wet. Here, Guinea Pig.
Remember tell them chop the limb?
Boom away fine. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. And coconuts. And guinea limb. With guinea on it.
Them chop the limb them and then after.
Takes it out. More than them muscle.
So a baby one there. There. No boss.
This is only good one.
The baby, smallest one. Sweet? Sweet, oh.
Yeah. She make me taste it for the finish her.
You serious? Overripe. Sweet, man.
Chop the limb.
Water the sun, heavy. Water the sun, heavy. Okay. Yeah.
That rolling stone.
Rolling car.
Oh, heavy. Only the color change. The water run off of the hill, the dirt run off. Whoops! At that meal step. That's so close, we go to it.
Everybody gets tired.
Yeah, that's so close, we go to it a while ago. They say, dog, you need to go to the toilet. Wilfred, olha só. Oh, we are talking. Hey, don't jump up on me, no. Don't jump up on me. What you doing?
Yeah. Me here, you know. Greetings.
Should I jump up?
Greetings, man.
Brownie. Don't jump up. Don't jump up. Don't. A place wet, so you want to jump up. Man.
What?
Excuse white nose. Excuse. Evening. Almost finished your homework. That's good. That is good. Evening. Go down, please.
My father's sick.
I'm sick.
Inside.
I'm a flow.
I didn't go to school this morning. Come back at sleep.
Evening. Yeah.
So I called Puma pass down there what the service did done. But after one, they came in service room and Puma call me because they try to call the phone name but they never get it. So Puma call me and tell me say down there lay down, so I end up go down the film but him that say no, wait until I go for the pill them. And then I bring him up.
In there?
Bring him up. Yeah, in there lay down. And that's the way.
Come on.
You know, just turn up some food from him.
Oh.
Him drink a little bit tight and
Come on, this. You said we can manage.
oh.
Yeah.
I live that one, they live here. So you know, say my name, what they are.
So what kind of things are plant up in the year this?
She said she never can do my own like she had.
One will sitting a pint in the year. And embark heavy, you know?
No, I'm frightened. I go to Mola. That's me and Lisa go down, so.
How where the dog that come from?
Which white dog? Beanie.
White dog.
Beanie, the man professor.
And then gone.
Yeah, man, I'm have to cut.
In brave, he say, I come up here, son, dog up here, son. Brave.
No, him here so come.
Oh, him say bag come.
Yeah, so food there.
Check for charge. Oh, no materials that can wipe off my foot.
No, let's chop up. I'm going to wipe back here, so. Because they're trying up here, so. See that? Come.
Oh, in here, dark. Charge. You see code?
Make it heavy.
It get heavy.
Yeah.
You know, so I paint me try paint in there so when somebody come call me in the kitchen, I say him come back come set up the table.
What do you think about
the pressure?
Hello, Kina.
Alright, pressure?
There's somebody for testing diabetes. The machine,
Yeah.
you have to do it.
So you test it?
You know somebody there for strip? Tara, give me a bag.
Hello, Kina.
What's in your bag?
But that's at the end of the day, most have to come. I share about oh, you can't come. How does come from school and stop now and just do the work.
So we have to come up and feel heavy charging.
This morning, I'm carrying them at school.
Go back.
So me that tell them stop down the road to the week out, me that tell them lie down the road.
Oh. I just feel weak out.
Oh, my
Week
funny.
out.
Mommy, put on the Wi-Fi.
Wait, warm? Or like a flu?
I feel like somebody can eat. You know, normally, I same thing like what
Hold on.
him never him for eat,
Yeah.
and him not feel like he eat. But him for eat something, he must put something in his body because if him take the insulin, him can go back in a coma. And that him understand. So he must force to eat something. If him not force to eat something,
Yeah.
that will reach him.
Okay, so I should not eat.
Him not eat. I just him when him go bring the pin, him never eat. So by the time when him come up, him just go lay down time, say him feel weak down there. And still say him just lay down.
Oh.
The phone.
The phone.
Talk up.
Good. So you need anything for mine still?
Dina di send some soup come give.
I'm drinking.
Drink little bit of okay, me tell him say that drink it up and just left the food if you don't want.
I think well after this.
Yeah, you can't let go. Come on, come here. Yeah.
Cha.
Here, there. There it goes.
So we're going to test it now.
Here. Be may I stick your finger? Here.
Have light. And full light. Turn it on.
You should have done this,
If I bring gas to the that's it.
That's why you never just go down there
You feel warm?
and done. Because normally when him not eat it, them not give me drip.
Oh. Say I lose appetite from you.
Yeah, him never want to eat nothing.
Take a better for the guy.
Take up that now, my phone is sitting on it. BA, this the 2.3, alright. 2.3, that alright. It lower.
Lower. 2.3.
Yeah.
Sugar lower.
No for this lower. If you eat.
You want something sweet? Nothing sweet.
You want sweet biscuit?
Sugar lower. Esther, you not sweet or nothing? Sugar low. Yeah.
No.
You buy one open?
When we are coming to
biscuit, like the strawberry biscuit, the duplex them.
Yeah. Yeah?
when we are found it,
You don't even know because boom out there. You don't know.
okay.
You want something sweet like chocolate or something. You take them sick.
Georgie, drink some of my juice or drink some of my juice.
How will the sugar low? Or will you drink something sweet?
Or eat the one sweet biscuit.
And I see biscuit.
Yeah.
So that happened for a morning then. Low.
Yeah.
Full on. Low. Because you must drop off the kids when I come back and them feel weak.
Can I eat them?
They not really eat on time. I know, so that means him sugar low. That's why I feel so weak because him sugar the low. And that happen when you sugar low, you feel weak though.
Yeah.
So kids like don't always have so much sweet in them. No sweetie, no chocolate, nothing.
Georgie, yeah, drink the rest of the soup. You don't want it? And that no, if after I eat, if you don't eat, it can't be look back some.
Exactly.
After I have some.
Yeah. Charge you after you eat something.
Hey, run them over.
But come on, come on.
Hey, go so.
So,
Go so. In the same head that hurt him, so I still drop your car with the, but they go for the picking them, at the rain that fall, so I just end up go for them, because the time I just go for them, and him would just bring them out.
like when you feel so weak, I think you have to go
go bring them to school and come back for them.
I have to go bring him in.
Georgie, you want a doctor?
No.
So I same thing with them. And that's always reach him. And then you get until 2 days, then them can't move. And then them have to lift him up.
Yeah, the best thing charge here for you for going
You know,
there.
so that somebody call Nance, cause as I come home, I just have a call her and tell her. So that's how she be send up the soup.
Because basically, you just bring the kids them go to school. Because I never feel so yesterday.
No.
We dey go pick some guinea.
In the alright.
Every time we go pick a bag of guinea and we bring them happy and go sell them and come back.
So you got bring them to school. You eat anything this morning?
Never did, you know.
Never eat anything.
And go away.
Like that. And never eat anything.
Cranberry, run him out.
Eh? Wow.
How will I go?
Them gonna look something sweet for my boomer. Chocolate or something. Bring it back in sugar. But it's not the first this happened to him.
No.
So usually how long it take him to recover back? I'd have to bring him in.
Him normally that for going in and then him get the drip.
Okay. But the best thing for him, so Chargy, that means that for going in man, because you have to go in to get the drip. Because you're low pan fluid as well too. Yeah, I don't want to catch back that stroke again.
And then the man just want to sleep. I same thing that I'm calling on today because she has said I'm watching him because she just come about 2 times.
Don't even bother for watch it. I have to just go bring him in. I have to go up and drip like him feel. Because usually when you feel like this, if him there home, him will recover back.
Worse.
Him usually recover back.
Worse.
Worse. So that means him have to go in before he get worse then. Because if him not going to recover back, I mean not sense him stay home. Because he might go only sleep and not eat at the same time, and that not good anyway. So he have to go in and get the drip, and the drip will bring him back up to speed.
Why nose? So.
Chargy.
Beer. She knows how to you.
Good have to go bring him in, man, for sure. So Chargy, you have to go in because it don't make no sense you stay and wait for recover. And then at the same time you're not eating.
Me I call her.
You're charged.
So big this one on my head heavy.
So that's why I say your head heavy. The best thing you go in so then can know what to do more than you sit down and I wait and I say it's so alright. Because you don't know. Because from your head feel heavy and you're weak and you not eat and the sugar so low, you have to go in. That's the only thing that you can do, Chargy. You do me the lie down now gonna make it get better because you don't have nothing in the body what can bring you back up. You understand? So we are worship them there who can help you. Eh? Yeah. Eh?
See her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bina. Yeah. Because like we start charging stage, we just said the best thing we just bring him in. So we have the
Give me.
yeah. You drink some of the soup. You drink some of the soup.
Eat the biscuit.
I'm sugar really low.
No, take about 2
Can't run no
And him
risk.
get one eye drip, him alright, you see him want to eat. But if I make him feel like him empty.
Hydrate back. Can't take no risk charge because the sugar is well low. Well low.
I'm not even to go down for low, man. I'm not taking my insulin for morning.
You don't take no insulin for morning.
Eat it for right now.
Right down. And when you go right down like that, the only thing you have to do is just
The last time you go right down, you know him.
eat. That come back.
so you know one got the hospital?
Man,
But being as a sugar send a drive, I just go down there.
I went to the sun at our woman, but I tell you some come from the school this morning. I come like, I could even come from the beef, I don't have to stop.
Yeah.
I never dehydrate, come for that.
And then you never eat, you take the insulin as well too. So you have medication where you take?
You can't take it now until it build up little. Then him take it, cause if him take it, that was the problem, you know. Him never did to take it when him not eat. And him never did that eat, and then him go take the insulin.
Yeah.
Then tell him say it have to build up little, and then him can take the insulin, that it balance.
Yeah. I'm ready him going still. Got the light up now, gonna make it better charge it.
And it make sense to sit down.
And walk.
And the same thing, you see what I'm going
Can't
just
fast.
don't listen.
But you just get the drip charger, man. Is it me?
Even when
You
the
can't
drip.
fast.
And
Yeah.
as the drip done, you know, say come back up.
Yeah.
Tell me, I look for shirt daddy. And pants.
No matter what. Cause the way you see what you that's minor stroke there, you don't want about nothing like that to come back. And your head heavy. Yeah, me I say man, your head not supposed to heavy. The best thing is to go see them quick and fast. Quick and fast. So. Wash it from the money. Eh?
No, my attention football.
Yeah, wash it from the money them there so we can just follow you go down there.
I get a shirt. And pants. I think you can change.
Yeah. You need one of the jumper them, because I remember down there a bit chilly. Actually the AC. You feel look better?
Yeah, I feel better.
You ate the sweet biscuit a while ago. Eat one more of the biscuit. Eat one more of the sweet biscuit there. Cause even do you know?
It's like wicked part there, so the eye,
Yeah.
we can fight the weakness and balance, but it's only lower.
It's hard to fight. To fight. Cause you know if you always try to balance your diet with that, always have something sweet.
No, if
Yes.
the doctor said that I'm forever, well, let me try, I'm forever have a sweet or something in my pocket.
Yeah. I feel something sweet for health balance. Give him back one of the sweet biscuit.
That's supposed to sweet, man.
But I take your juice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Tang.
Sweet.
Tang. Oh, they mash up the biscuit them already.
You know, some kind of money, sweet.
And you too.
Nah, food got up.
And you eat the biscuit
Mommy
too.
stop telling like palm in our rice. Yes, him got at all.
One day they pan it and
One week the biscuit a while. As the biscuit come,
Are you? Come spend more. Are you?
I say you.
Take up here.
Nana.
No.
Come here, Nana.
Yeah.
You eat the biscuit too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Stop telling lie. Get it. Me not eat onion. You sure?
These are some shoes, brother.
One more again. This house is so cool. Come on. This time for talk again.
This is Toko.
Toko. And those Toko. Come try on one of these shoes. Nana, try on that one day. Try that, Nana. You will try this.
Was it got this big one? I don't know.
No, that's your size.
No, kidding. No.
Or it's small. That fit up, Nana? That fit, Nana.
Lash.
Yeah, Nana size that.
Ah, boy.
See?
You know my foot can't go in that.
What size that?
No.
Let me see the bottom.
See the water, it can't go. Oh.
Can I get it then?
Take it down. Let me see what
That
size
look
it
like
is. Look for another size in the bag.
Look at this one.
And I want fit Toko. Try on that Toko.
So what is?
Try on that red one there. No, Toko, try on that one there. Tara. It's a Tara. Try on this one Tara, Ken.
No, this don't fit me.
See that?
That one fit you, right?
Yeah, you can feel it.
That one don't fit you.
I'm going to say that.
Where next foot there?
Look like that. This.
I'm not ready one day.
So that is on.
But it don't.
Come here, come and see. You put it on, take out the paper out there. Fix that here, Nana.
See that?
Yeah, that's your size.
Where's your size again?
Come again. Mom.
Come and see.
Okay.
Come and see. Come.
Mommy.
Alright, nobody go make it. It's fit you, right?
Look at you now.
Come, stand up, Cranberry.
Daddy, I miss you. Everybody make a call yesterday. I'm come from school with them one. I said, you want to pick your Aki face? She said, I'm not going to pick them.
Just come thank one love and one heart.
One love. Thank you so much.
One love, one heart.
I make a full basket.
Never let your food basket empty, and may God bless you.
Yeah, one love, one heart. Are you want this? Are you for this? Are you want that?
Yeah.
Don't mix it up.
To try that?
You're not ready the same size?
Yeah.
What size that?
So that means
Looking there.
yeah, so that means that means the one where was size down.
So take one pair then.
Yeah. The next one away.
Do that for you.
Alright, them that try away. I try to talk which one then? No, which one is?
That can't fit talk or two.
Now this?
No, see there.
Okay.
Brother.
Try to get up.
Yeah.
Remember I said
No.
sugar, yeah, we had charge it.
Where next food for this? Oh, see it.
Yeah, try and see up on top.
This never fit her.
At all time, yeah.
We're not kidding.
This never fit
It's a
Toko.
Jason.
So on 7, yeah. The 7 can.
Come on.
Yeah. We just drive behind the car and come on the window.
Yeah, man. Don't you do right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want there for you.
I thought I get them 3. Alright then. Yeah, me hear you. Me hear you.
Come on.
I'm put on this. I put on that.
You said this is a Jason one, remember?
Yeah. So don't mix it up.
No, this is mine. This is a Jason.
Yeah.
Don't use it?
Yeah. I'll bring it back. Alright guys, so we give thanks to One Love, One Art, project, our foundation, we thank them so much, One Love, One Art, from Florida, so each one of them get a shoes and thing, but right now we have to go and get charged to the hospital. We cannot make him run risk and say he want to stay at home. Might as well him go and just get the checkup, so get it out the way more than going to stay and wait and not knowing. Charging around going on. Fake.
I see.
Push on the table,
But I don't think I want to understand the L.
you push my mother, you can see that.
So you're saying I want to go?
And then call the taxi man already.
I move on rest. I forgot you.
You don't want to go?
So, how you feel? You feel like...
I feel like I'm going to sweet something.
So you feel a little better?
Yeah.
Relax yourself and get some food then. I remember, I hear you, Wrong can say to you, I hear choice. You can't force it if you don't want. Because you must know how you feel. So, most want you do the right thing, because it's all about the right thing. Yes, sir? Yeah.
If I saw you feel okay and force you.
No, get something now.
Yeah, because him say him feel a little better, so yeah, so him drink, he eat the biscuit and drink something sweet. So I say no one go down there or anything, so we don't know what to do, we can't even force him now.
Get something more sweet and then get some food, yes sir? Yeah. Alright, get something hot in your system. Because that's the key,
Yeah.
The food. So you get something warm. After that, now, from there, say no, to take the rest. You see? So remember, you have them to attend to, so you can't do the wrong thing and act the wrong way. Yes, sir? Because you have to set a good example around there. You see? More. So,
There's no idea because I'm coming from another school this morning, I'm could even get strength to come up the road.
Here we have a start. You see, when you know you're touching. So I have a look at charging and show you. I see him thing do I end up in passing.
Eh?
And you end up and take on flush out.
And take them sick?
Yeah. And did have one heap of complain and what happened. Doctor then they tell him what to do, but still did all the lack of basic to it. And I think happened. You know, go to the hospital and I get it till you pass out. There and everything I ever stood.
Get the hospital?
Yeah.
And take them sick?
Why did that happen? They take them sick. And the same thing where you are do, that him did that to you. I tell himself, say, go back because he don't want them admit him. But at the time when him did do the right thing, when him come out, see me, name Brandon. Local virgin. I sleep when we take him picture, because him always, I rode him there selling.
Okay.
And I see what ever sleep because weakness. Always, you see him. And him now eat for time. So you see like the same thing you do, Jenna.
Yeah. So you have to eat for time.
Your system serious. I want system. And if you can't take care of it, me can't do it for you. You can advise you. And it's up to you what you want to do. Because I see him when I did advise him, and him true. Till one time I start calling true, man. Because every time I tell you something, you say true. But you not do the truth. So I say, you name true, man, then, alright. So I just say charge you. Get something for eat now. And don't make this continue and work for you that way.
I just since this moment I say I get up good go to school.
Yeah man. Last time I show you the metal. You see so you know your illness. Watch your metal now. Each time you have to go far from your home. Far with something sweet.
Well, you know, so the more you walk and the more you sweat, it cut the sugar level.
Right, that's why I tell you what to do. Far with something sweet.
Yeah,
and
the
then
more you
always
walk
have a
and
one
sweat,
buckle of water to travel with. Because you're one else, so you have to do it there.
Because you see the biscuit where you eat, you kind of bring it up back and the juice. See?
Sweet.
So that is sweet, you know. Once you go down, you eat something with sweet, it bring it up back. And then it depends on.
So it's like I come back now, you want eat something now. The soup be done. You want some more of that soup there. I will get Bina. She have more down there.
Yeah.
Call her and go for some more soup from Bina. Yeah, make sure send up some more soup then.
Yeah, man. And just get 2 more biscuits from where you name there and keep it.
No, I can't 2 people because it's too, you time I eat a sweet, I like it low and build it up.
No, I say in case,
yeah,
in the hours.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what can happen.
We have got hide from them picnic because them see it.
That's the thing. You have to just keep it with him.
Because the biscuit come and the man get one out of it, you know, by the time you look, it's like missing.
I said, man, it's a house of family, so it have to
so right now you have to keep it in your pocket.
Yeah.
You know? I will keep. But if you could have said some good have been and get some more of that soup there. You know? I should know nobody who could have sent it up. But like when your sugar up when you feel a little better, you know at the right time to eat something. They can take the insulin.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Take the insulin. Because you still can take the insulin now, right? But you have to eat first.
Yeah, like how now I can take, but I have to know, so yeah. But I take it now, I have to show some something by 10 minutes time to eat.
Eat.
So I eat it from morning.
That's why you want to make sure that in place.
Yeah. So where you got to feed now? Okay. Alright then. Oh. Boom? Who down there? Who that? Oh, the driver. So we have to just tell him, say, you're sorry. Yeah.
Everything you put But then to just get on standby in case.
Wash them mga buma to. Oh. Alright, then later. High five. Cranberry later. High five. Later, Toko. Later. You just want to lick me hard. Cranberry, see you later. Kenisha. Yeah.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Alright then. Charge it.
Yeah.
Do the right thing, you know. Yeah. So, where's the man name? Andy?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to show him and meet him. Oh, your nephew? Okay. Watch your slide, you know. Yeah? My ear? You like my ear? Nice though. Watch out, Nana, man, you drop. Man, you drop. White nose. White nose, Dad. Oh, I'm going to tell them. Nah, take no check. Alright guys, so we're gonna edit now, you know what I'm saying? It's an open prayer. Everything stay alright with charging, you know, because you feel better, so he don't want to go, so you know we cannot force him because he know how he feel. So we just open those, eat something, take him influence, you know, and just get some rest. And then everything will be alright, you know. So. But you have to take in. You know, it's not something to joke about with him, come on to them type of sugar level drop low a while ago. So once you have something sweet, it kind of build it back up. But still, you know, it's getting dark up here right now. It's that time.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Courier Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.